Hey. Oh, you found some tape? Where's your ball? Hmm? Where is it? Some tape? Thank you. Tape? That's tape. You want me to stick it on you? It's not sticky anymore. Okay, let me see if I can do it. Here. This is what we do. He likes me to stick tape on him so he can pull it off, and then stick it back on so he can pull it off. But then when it's not sticky anymore, he gets mad. Pull it off. Wow. Okay, see how it goes? We could do this all day. You like that?
Oh, yeah.
Let me see. Let me see you pull it off. Wow.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Thanks, I'll keep that. This way. What are you going to do with that stick? 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 You got a stick? Stick? Don't put it in your mouth. It doesn't go in your mouth. It doesn't go in your mouth. That's yucky. Baron, that's yucky. That's yucky. Don't put that in your mouth. Don't put that in your mouth. Yucky. Say cheese. 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 Say hi.
Boo.
That's you, Baron. Cheese.
Bobby. Papa. Bobby. A baby. Baby.
Yeah, there's a baby. Yep, there's a baby.
Baby.
Baby. Not in there. In there. There's the baby.
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 Baby. You have to be gentle. Yep, gentle.
Like baby.
Gentle.
Baby.
Baby.
Baby. Baby.
Baby.
Baby.
Baby. You don't go night-night under a rug. You're not supposed to go night-night under a rug. You're supposed to go night-night under a blanket. Night-night. Not down there, Baron. Silly head. Night, night. Night, night. Night, night. Night, night. You going sheepies?
Are you gonna let Baron eat the rest of this or not?
Yeah, I doubt if he'll want it, so you can throw it away.
Okay. You want it?
Of course, he wants it now.
Yeah. Because I'm about to throw it away.
Whoa. Here comes sister.
Right on time.
Right on time.
Yeah.
What a surprise.
Daddy home? It really is.
Not yet.
Yeah.
I have the fan on.
It's still hot.
Yeah.
Mom, I didn't play in the mud.
Good.
But my brother found it.
No, this is different camera. I'm making it. I'm gonna try to make videos every day for Granny and Papa so they can see you guys, because you guys are getting so big and they don't get to see you.
Okay.
So just act normal when you see me recording. Just act normal.
Okay. Yeah, right. I'm going upstairs.
All right. We're gonna go to Taco Bell later. To Taco Bell? Sure, we're just gonna go drive through and get food and come home. Are you done?
Yes.
Are you coming with us?
Yes.
Not you, Bonnie. I know you're coming. Are you coming with us, Eris?
Yeah.
We're all going? Are you ready to go now? Because I'm starving.
I am. Yeah, belly song.
Hi, Daddy. To them. So, I am so bummed that I just can't find the charger for my other camera, so I decided to just use this one. Because I've been wanting to start vlogging for weeks and I can't find the camera. Or I can't find the charger for the battery. So I told the kids if they can find it, there will be a very handsome reward for them. And if, Daddy, if you find it, there will be a very handsome reward for you as well. Yeah.
Oh, Mom, why did you tell him that? That's fair. Extra hard.
Extra hard.
Wait,
You guys.
wait, Eric, he doesn't know it. Eric,
I'm gonna try.
Eric, he doesn't know where it is.
Oh, yeah, because he's mostly gone all day.
Plus he doesn't know. Plus he
Nobody-
doesn't know what it looks like.
He does know what it looks like.
Keep my eye on you, Dad.
None of us knows where it is.
I know that your legs are all muddy or whatever that is.
Who, Eris?
Look at his legs. But how's that?
Probably ashy.
Pick me up.
You're right, Dad. That's my
You'd rather it be mud than ash, so then your mom has nothing else to say.
Dada. We decided we're gonna do.
Just the left hand. Right hand.
We decided on Taco Bell for Fat Friday.
For Fat Friday.
Bonnie, because Bonnie always begs for Taco Bell and we never go. So but I'm starving, so we're gonna go. You want me to just grab you whatever?
Yep.
All right.
Hey, so I'm the one recording this. I'm in the front. So let's just get back. Mommy doesn't listen to that kind of music. Only Daddy. Okay? Yeah. Because he's mostly in the car by himself. So that's why. Because Mommy usually listens to gospel. So, yeah.
Oh, I'm so hungry.
So am I.
Starving. Aaron, what are you talking about?
I'm not hating. Glasses. Glasses on her head. Glasses on her head. Glasses on her head.
Fortune show. Turn up the radio, James. Fortune show. Turn up the radio. Turn up. Turn up. Show.
Whoa.
But there's ew, nachos.
There's beans and meat and stuff on it.
Oh, Eris, I see how you were accidentally pressing buttons.
Open it. Eris, we're starving.
Open it. Open it.
There's tomatoes.
Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Open it.
Brother.
Open it.
Can you open it?
I hope so.
What?
I've been.
What are you talking about?
Well, because it seems to me that Eris is eating nachos, and nachos can be very, very
Yeah,
messy.
but she's not black. You are.
Fine. Thank you.
Beefy nacho.